Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a kind of what I eat in a day slash vlog style video slash healthy grocery shopping haul, which I'm very excited about because I just got a package last night that I kind of started digging into, and then I was like, you know what, I'm gonna show you guys because it is all healthy groceries and I'm super excited. Okay, let's go open this and I want to show you guys what I got for some healthy shit. I'm about to drop this. Okie dokie. So this box is actually from, can you see that? Thrive Market. You guys know I've worked on videos with them in the past. This is not a sponsored video. This is a whole separate order. So let's get on with this haul. I'm not gonna lie, this came yesterday evening, so you can see two things are open that I did try. First of all, I picked up these rosemary and sea salt almond flour crackers. I just thought these looked really good. They're gluten-free. Looking at the breakdown, these are 1 gram of carb per cracker. If I need a little snack throughout the day or with my lunches, I can have a few of these. I also got, oh, these I've had before. These are amazing. These are fruit leathers, but healthy fruit leathers. These, you guys, are bomb AF. Like, I literally had these before, right before Christmas, and I finished them. A little tip for you guys, something I do is look at not only the nutrition facts here, I also look at the ingredients, and basically you can see this has no funky ingredients. Like, this has a little more ingredients than I would usually go for, but you can see everything is completely natural. There's nothing that you can't pronounce or don't know what it is. If we look at the crackers that I just showed you guys, these are the ingredients. Again, nothing that you don't know about or nothing funky, nothing artificial. Next up, this I'm very excited for. I've had these before too, and I got 2 boxes of these. These are the Curiously Crunchy Popcorn Half Pops Black Truffle and Sea Salt, and they literally look exactly like this. They're like little hard kernels of popcorn but in seasoning, and the Black Truffle Sea Salt is amazing. It tastes like garlic and everything like that. This is something I already opened. It's their own brand, and it is their non-GMO paleo snack mix. This is the Chipotle barbecue flavor. This is what it looks like right in here. There are cashew nuts, there are pecans. Also those round things right there, those are banana chips, which I had never tried before, but they're amazing and crunchy. I also, as a treat, picked up these. Guys, I don't even care. I love Reese's Pieces. They're literally just individually wrapped dark chocolate peanut butter cups. There's 7 grams of carbs per little cup, and so I'm just gonna keep this and have if I ever need a chocolate fix after dinner or feel like dessert. I also saw these on Thrive Market, and so I definitely want to try them. It is by a brand called Flapjack, and these are high protein muffins. So I think in here is a single muffin, or do I have to make it myself? Oh no, I have to add water and make it myself. Shit. Okay, I thought this came as a full muffin. So I guess this is something that you do in the microwave. You add water to it and then in 35 seconds, it's all Gucci. You can see they are 21 grams of carbs, but I figure for like a whole muffin, that's not bad. But they also have 20 grams of protein. So again, I figured for like a treat or something, that would be really nice. So I got the double chocolate one. And then I also got the chocolate peanut butter to try because, hello, chocolate peanut butter obsessed. I also picked up right here, this is seasoning sauce for tacos. You guys know I have been living for taco salad and also making tacos with the Gardein, the meatless ground beef. So I wanted to try this. It makes life very easy. So I'm excited to give this one a try. I also got this, I got in a what I eat in a day video. You guys will have seen me make this on my channel, and I'm going to leave a link below to that. This is my favorite gluten-free pizza dough for when I'm not having my Friday cheat pizza day, but I feel like some pizza. I also got these. These are the Kind Fruit Bites Mango, Pineapple, and Apple. I got these before in the cherry flavor, and so I figured I love them so much, again, for like a sweet treat or a snack on the go. And then last but not least, something else I'd already tried. I got the Thrive Market coconut wraps. I got a few of these. These are by Bread Alternative. I've been eating a lot more carbs over Christmas, and it's been kind of hard to cut back, but these I actually can have like sandwich fillings in them, or I can do sweet things too. But they're only 6 grams of carbs. These are amazing and an amazing bread alternative, and I'm obsessed with these, so yeah. And there's something else that I want to show you guys. My lazy ass has actually got a meals prep service for this week. I'm not gonna lie, I actually already ate one of the meals for dinner last night, so I'll put it in an inset. It was a pasta and meatballs. But basically, I found this company on Instagram, and they're local in Ottawa in my city, and it is amazing. They have a bunch of meal plans on there done by a dietitian, and they are all like meal prepped in these little portion controls, so all I have to do is heat them up. It means that I have meals with veggies, protein, and carbs super balanced that are gonna hit all my macros, and I don't have to cook or meal prep for the week. So I'm gonna show you what I got. This is one of the meals. You can see here, got your protein, which is chicken breast. Underneath there you have some potatoes, and this chicken breast is seasoned. This is not dry, boring chicken breast. This is nice, delicious chicken breast. Some potatoes, and then you have your portion of veggies. So this is gonna be perfect for like a post-workout snack. This, you guys, OMG, this is more of a lunch or a side. I probably would have this along with something else for dinner, but this is a quinoa Mediterranean salad. It has kale in there, it has quinoa, onions, some olives, and really delicious Mediterranean dressing. This one, very excited about. We have steak, Yes, some seasoned steak with some peppers, and underneath that, that's on a bed of rice. And then you also have your veggies. This next one here is like a chicken kind of curry and a tomato based sauce, and it's on a bed of rice. Honestly, I've been slacking on my veggies basically after Christmas, so this is an easy way to get a little more veggie in. And then finally, this one I actually also ate as well. I'm not gonna lie, I had one of these for lunch. I split this up into a lunchtime meal. These are black bean kale veggie burgers, and there was another patty this size, and I just thought, even for dinner, like I would probably only have one of these because my portions aren't as huge. So I've been splitting this up into a lunch portion. This is the best veggie vegan burger you're ever gonna have in your life. And it also came with a side of pita breads as well, which is really nice. So I'm gonna have some hummus with this, and I'll probably have this again for lunch tomorrow. So I will link to where I found this company below, their Instagram and their website. But I am so excited. Like, how delicious does everything look, and how amazing to not have to worry after work and the gym, like a long day of work, about cooking, because it is all done for me. I'm really excited about that. Those are the two things, my healthy little grocery haul that are gonna help me. So yeah, that is my little grocery haul on my meal prep made easier. You guys know I don't want to feel like I'm on a diet, so I just want to share that with you guys because I'm gonna be eating some bon mass food, getting back on track, hitting my body goals, but again, not feeling like I'm restricting myself. So I'm really excited.